Myntri Katanat Arts and Culture ka Sorkar Jilla uba polling do ha ka santalik kalalingkan haringkat ka jingadan lang ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills ka kong RM Kurba ula Plie ka jingdro ka badan ru iki kanatang jong ubarim bar ka jingade bar ka kolshor ya ka baladro ha ka building ka DCU Ophis. Ya kani ka jingdro ka ba itynnad bat penyap biet iki bobon balang na dropen wandor da unong drodor ba paunam ka jilla usamla Mario Pathaw haka jingat lang bat ka Start India Foundation kumjo bat ka Asian Paints haka jingkren uba pol ula pertu halor kani ka jingdrodor ka ba itynnad bat ongru ba kani ka long ka nuksa ya baro ki samla ka jilla bakin la ban kintiwi ki sap ki phong ki jongki da ka ba pendan kamling ba kum kini ki jat jingdro ki badan ka jingadei bat ka kolshor kumjo bat ka mei maryang nalor kata ula ongru bakum kini ki jat jingdro kin kringru ye ki nongwan shangkai perthei na keleng bat omtang ban penpau ye ka jing itynnad jong ki jaka bala penlong hi da ka mei maryang henrei ru ban kintiu ye ki kam jong akai perthei ula ongru ba ka jilla Meghalaya ka don shibun ban terwa sya ka perthei baro ka wai kata la ka long ha ka liang ka jingdan jong ki kshat ki banok rumpum ki badon ringkat ye ki khana nalor ki lum ki wa ki ba itynnad Shu ula ong baha usnam arajar Plie ka Meghalaya kala sakhi hadu jan kumba khatsan langut kinongwan shangkai na keleng ka perthei ka bapen I halor ka jingjob ka bakraw ya ka jilla.
The only art that I would see on the walls were words like "Do not drop line" and "Do not spit here." Ya hangir, what tashun hangir. From that into the art that you have graduated today, it's certainly a huge leap forward for this office. And I must thank each one of you, especially Mario. He was a kid when I first met him because I knew his father, Pascal, and we were very close. He was also our advisor when we were in the Kasi Students Union. Thank you, Mario, for the beautiful concept and for having taken the art form from the gallery to the streets. I wish to add here that more than anything else, what you have done today is encourage visitors, tourists visiting the state of Meghalaya, to not only be mesmerized by our natural beauty, but also to step into something called immersive tourism. Immersive tourism is when a tourist goes beyond what hits his eyes and to try to go deeper, to immerse into the culture, immerse into the art, the myths, the legends, the history, the cultural background of a people. And that is an experience that Meghalaya has so much to share with the rest of the world. The various natural landscapes that Meghalaya has is something that I keep telling my friends. When you come to Shillong, do not only ask whether you have 5 or 7-star hotels. I tell them, step outside your hotel rooms, look up to the sky. You'll see not 5, not 7, but thousands of stars. You ask whether your AC is working or not. The entire space around you is a natural AC. And at a time when the air quality, AQI, in the national capital has reached the levels that it is called a gas chamber, Shillong has 40, Sora has 15 degrees of AQI, which is something marvelous. And in spite of our inability to enforce laws regarding pollution. Yet, God has been so kind that whatever we breathe is something purified, something that adds to the quality of our health. Therefore, let us consider these to be our strengths. Work on those strengths. I would like each one of you to join in our efforts to encourage responsible, self-sustaining tourism. Today, we have reached a point where Meghalaya is the next sought after destination. And if we continue in our efforts to sustain whatever we've started, I'm sure that within the next few years, people will not look up to government as a source of employment, but they would themselves be employment generators and employment creators. This is a beautiful initiative that you all have taken. My congratulations to Pang Gurba and her team. I'm sure that, as the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with one step. You have taken that step. Keep this up. We would like to see that Meghalaya gets the recognition he richly deserves, that the state will continue to be a shining outpost of grace, a patch of beauty, and a slice of paradise on earth. I would encourage you, whenever you're in Delhi, to visit the Meghalaya store. A small, a tiny space in the national capital. But there is so much that the store has to offer in terms of what Meghalaya has. The diverse arts and crafts, the culture, the plants that we grow, our rootedness in culture and music, all of these find space. And none other than the Prime Minister of the country who visited Meghalaya store early last year.